Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. So as you can see from the board that we are doing polynomials chapter, and we have already discussed about the division algorithm of polynomial, and one solution we have done regarding division algorithm. Now we are going to discuss, in this video we are going to discuss some solution regarding polynomial chapter. Okay, so let's start it without delay. We are going to start that, and if you have any problem regarding the understanding of the solution, then you can comment me in my comment box so that I will help you. So here one question is given that I am reading the question. Verify that the number given along with the cubic polynomial are its zeros. Also verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So, and the cubic polynomial are given. I am writing the polynomial. Polynomial is x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6, and the numbers are given -2, -3 and -1. We have to show that these three numbers are the zeros of this polynomial. So for that, here the solution. So for that, let Px equals to x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6 we are taking. Now we have to find P of -2. P of -2, that's equal to -2 cube plus 6 into -2 square plus 11 into -2 plus 6, that is -8. This is plus 24. This is -22 plus 6. That means plus 30 minus 30. So here we are getting here 0. So -2 is a 0 of the polynomial. Next we have to find P of -3. P of -3. P of -3 is equal to -3 cube plus 6 into -3 square plus 11 into -3 plus 6, that's equals to -27 plus, this is 54 minus 33 plus 6, this is 60 minus 60. So obviously -3 is also be a 0. Next P of -1. P of -1, that's equals to -1 cube plus 6 into -1 square plus 11 into -1 plus 6, -1 plus 6 minus 11 plus 6 becomes 0. So in three cases we are able to see that in all of the cases the polynomial value at the variable value x -2, -3 and -1, the polynomial value becomes 0. So we can write that these three numbers are the zeros of the polynomial. Next we have to find the relationship. Next we have to find the relationship between the zeros and the polynomial. Next come to the verification. Now here three zeros are given. Suppose we are taking alpha is equal to -2, beta is equal to -3 and gamma is equal to -1. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? Minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. That means -6 by 1, that means -6. So here LHS, if we made it as LHS is equal to minus 2, minus 3 and minus 1, that is equal to minus 6, and here my RHS is equal to already minus 6, so verified. This is the sum of the roots. Next, product of the root taking alternatively, that means alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So this is my LHS, that means minus 2 into minus 3 plus minus 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 2, that's implying 6 plus 3 plus 2, that is 11. Okay, and RHS, that is sum of the product of the root taking alternatively, that's equals to what? The coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. So I am writing here coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. Now coefficient of x is equal to 11 divided by 1, that is 11. So this is my answer. LHS is equal to RHS, verified. Next, product of the roots, that is alpha beta gamma, minus 2 minus 3 minus 1, actually minus 2 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so that's equals to plus 6 minus 6. Okay, and the product of the root, that should be the minus of constant term divided by coefficient of x cube. Constant term is 6 divided by 1, so that means minus 6. So it is my LHS, and here it is my RHS. So LHS equal to RHS, verified. So all the three cases, the answer are verified. Hope you are able to understand it. Next, we are moving to another question. Now here is the question: if alpha beta be the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then find the value of alpha square minus beta square. So since alpha solution, alpha beta are the zero of ax square plus bx plus c, this polynomial. So obviously alpha plus beta by the formula of by the relation of coefficient and zeros, we are getting alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. Understood? Now alpha first is alpha square minus beta square, that's equal to alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta. Now alpha plus beta is minus b by a, we have already written that, and alpha minus beta, that can be written alpha minus beta whole square. So that's equal to minus b by a root under of, this can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta, that is minus b by a root under of alpha plus beta minus b by a whole square minus 4 into alpha beta c by a. Okay. Now lastly, if we have to calculate it, we are getting this is minus b by a root under of b square by a square minus 4c by a minus b by a root under of this is a square, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, that's implying minus b by a square into root under of b square minus 4ac. Hope it is visible to you. So this is the value of alpha square minus beta square. Next, alpha square plus beta square. Next, alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square, that's equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta means minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. Value of alpha beta is c by a. That's equal to b square by a square minus 2c by a. That's it. This is the value, alpha square of plus beta square. Next we are moved to alpha cube plus beta cube, a cube plus b cube. So next we are going to find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Here is the question number 2, alpha cube plus beta cube. Now alpha cube plus beta cube, the formula is alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. This will be the formula of alpha cube plus beta cube. Now here alpha plus beta minus b by a whole cube minus 3 into alpha beta c by a. Okay, and here minus b by a. So minus b cube by a cube plus 3 bc by a square. So that will be, now if we take a cube as common, minus b cube plus 3abc. Understood? So that will be the answer. Next move to next question, that is alpha cube minus beta cube. So this formula we have to use, that is alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha minus beta whole cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha minus beta. Now alpha minus beta, this value we have already computed. The value of alpha minus beta I am writing here, alpha minus beta is minus b by a square into root under of b square minus 4ac. This is the value of alpha minus beta. Now if we put over here this value, minus b by a square into root under of b square minus 4ac its cube plus 3 into alpha beta c by a into minus b by a square root under of b square minus 4ac. Okay, so this is the calculation. So that means this should be minus b cube a to the power 6 b square minus 4ac whole to the power 3 by 2 minus 3bc by a cube root under of b square minus 4ac. Understood? So that will be the answer, a cube alpha cube minus beta cube. Hope you are able to understand it. So here one question is given. The question is, using factor theorem, factorize px is equal to, I am just reading it, the polynomial px is equal to 2x to the power 4 minus 7x cube minus 13x square plus 63x minus 45. Now here we have to look at the constant term here. The constant term is how much? 45. So 45 first we take, then factors of 45 are plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, okay, plus minus 9 also, plus minus 15 and plus minus 45. Understood? Now first we should take plus 1. Okay, so we are putting P of 1. Minus 45, so that's implying 2 minus 7 minus 13 plus 63 minus 45. If we calculate it, 63, this is 65 and this is minus 20 plus means minus 65, 65 minus 65, that is 1 be a 0 of that polynomial. So x minus 1 be a factor of Px. Understood? Similarly, if we take P of 3, 2 into 3 to the power 4, 7 into 3 cube, 13 into 3 square, 63 into 3 minus 45. Now, if we calculate it, 162 minus, this is 189 minus this value 117 plus this is also 189 minus 45. So 189 cancelize, 162 minus 162 cancel. So 3 be a 0, so x minus 3 be a factor of Px. Understood? Now taking the polynomial, the polynomial is 2 x to the power 4 minus 7 x cube minus 13 x square plus 63x minus 45. How we can factorize it? We know that x minus 1 be a factor of it. So we are taking like this. Next, x minus 1, by making one gap of the line, we have to adjust here. X, we are taking x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 and x minus 1, 4x minus 1 simultaneously. Okay. Now we have to multiply here, we have to take here one number. That number, if we multiply to x, we are getting this term. So for that we are taking 2x cube. Understood? So 2x to the power 4 minus 2x cube. Now here say minus 7x cube is already here, so we have to make here minus 5. So we are taking minus 5x square. We are multiplying, that we are getting minus 7x cube plus 5x square. Understood? Next, here minus 13x square is given, so we have to take minus 18x. So minus 18x square plus 18x plus we have to multiply here plus 45. Understood? That's we get plus 45x minus 45. So if we see from here, we are getting that all terms should be adjusted and we are getting this polynomial, by giving polynomial. Now from here we are taking x minus 1 common, 2x cube minus 5x square minus 18x plus 45. Okay. Next again, since x plus 3 be a factor, so x plus 3 be a factor of this polynomial, this is one cubic polynomial, this is the quadratic polynomial, x minus 3 be a factor of this cubic polynomial, so we can again adjusting it. This is x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 3 and x minus 3. Again we have to multiply here 2x square by 2x square, 2x cube minus 6x square plus x, because 5x square are already present here, so that means x square, understood, minus 3x minus 15 minus 15x plus 45. Okay, so hope you are able to see the board. So here x minus 1, taking common x minus 3, we are getting 2x square plus x minus 15. Next 2x square plus x minus 15, 2x square plus x minus 15. We have to factorize it by middle term factor. So if we middle term, by doing middle term factor over it, we are getting this 2 into 15, that means minus 30, 2 minus 15, 5 minus 3. So if we take minus sign over 5, that is minus plus 6 and minus 5, that is this minus sign over this 5, so we are getting 6 and 5, the multiplication is minus 30 and the adjustment is plus 1. So this equals to